If you guys are developing websites or web pages and like this or anything else and you want that any changes you make here can get visible here live. So like for example here I add this is like library facilities which is like mentioned here at this place actually, okay, at this place. And if I mention some another item which is like uh, help desk, okay, help desk. So I press control s and it is visible here, you guys can see help desk. So how is this possible, how this live server is possible? If any changes you do here will reflect here. So how is that possible? It's very easy guys, it's very easy. You just have to open your VS Code for this first thing first. So after opening the VS Code actually, here it is, and you have to go for the extensions and download an extension of the live server, which I downloaded already. This one, okay, live server extension. You would search here live server and it would appear on your extensions, and you have to download this, okay, this one. And after downloading this, any website or web page you are going to create, you have to just like press the live server option. For example here it's my web page and I press here the go live option. Actually I am already live so I can't go for the live. Let's show you guys that how can I actually go live. Okay, it's very simple. I have to close this live and open VS Code, and from the VS Code actually you have to go here at any web page, and after that you have to click this port, and after this you have to click the go live and go live will be turned on. So it's very simple, very simple. You guys can make any of your website by making changes here and will reflect in the live server. So thank you so much.